Hello friends, welcome to my channel Local Guy. Today I am going to show you how to create your own NAS storage. NAS is network attached storage. You can store your data into NAS and access it from any device on the network. If you have external hard disk drive and want to access data, then you have to connect it to computer or laptop's USB port so you can access the data. But using NAS, which is connected to your network and available 24/7, you can access it from any device on the network. If one user want to watch movies on TV and other want to access the important work file from hard disk drive, then using NAS you can do both the things simultaneously. NAS is very useful for office environment. Suppose employees are working on some project, they often need to exchange data with each other. So instead of saving data in local hard disk drive, employees can store data to NAS and access the data whenever they want. There are many benefits of NAS. You can add extra features to NAS using Package Center, like you can create your own cloud storage. So instead of syncing your files on a cloud platform which is paid and limited, you can make your own private cloud storage with unlimited space and sync your data from any device to your private cloud storage. You can also create your own DNS server, directory server with LDAP services, mail server and many more features. You can also create and host your own website or blog using popular CMS like WordPress and Joomla. You can create database server using PHPMyAdmin and Maria database. You can also record your CCTV camera footages directly into NAS server. NAS storages are also available in the market, which are very expensive. If you have a limited budget or you are running a small business, then you can convert your old laptop or desktop into NAS server. To convert your PC into NAS, you need two files. I have provided the link in the description. Now connect USB drive to computer and using Rufus, create bootable disk to install Synology. Here is my old laptop and I want to convert it into a NAS Synology server. So first attach the USB drive and connect LAN cable to the laptop. Now press F12 for boot option and select boot from USB storage device. Now select Synology DSM install option and press enter and leave the laptop as it is. Do not remove USB drive. Now from another PC or laptop, open browser and type find.quickconnect.to, or you can also access by typing the IP address of the NAS server. Now click on connect, then accept the user agreement. Now click on install, then select manual installation. Then browse the DSM path file which we have downloaded, then press install now. It will take some time to install. Installation process is complete now. Enter server name and create username and password. Create strong password, otherwise it will not accept. Then click on next. On DSM update settings, choose last option, then click on next. You can create quick connect ID if you want to access NAS from internet. You can skip this step. That's it. Synology DSM is installed on your laptop. First thing you have to do is go to control panel, then network, and assign static IP address instead of DHCP and save the settings. Let's create share folder. Here I am creating share folder name local guy. Set the permission to read and write for admin. Press OK. Our share folder is created. Now let's access the NAS. Open Run and type the IP address of NAS. Enter username and password created for admin. You can see that we can access the folder. Let's create some folders and files. Let's create a new user, enter name and password for the user and allow only read permission for share folder name local guy. So this user can only read the data. Let's check it. You can see that the user can access the data but can't modify it. Let's create folder name sales team for sales department and give read write permission to user from sales department only. You can see that this username local guy can access the sales team folder and can create or modify the data. Likewise, you can create folders for specific department and give permission accordingly. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video and subscribe to the channel. Till then, goodbye.